Let us solve this Olympiad mass. So the equation is root of 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x all equals to 2. So we naturalize times. Remember that they don't have predicate should be on this side. So what you have will be root of 3 to the power x equals to 2 minus 3 to the power x. Next, we remove this radicand. So you can do it by squaring both sides. You square this one and square this one. So this one is 3. So 3 to the power x will be equal to 2 minus 3 to the power x multiplied by itself. So 3 to the power x will now be equal to, if you open this bracket now, you're going to get 4. This time is 4 minus 4 times 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x all squared. So it looks somehow. Now let's 3 to the power x be equals to something. Let's call it lambda. We call it S3. So let us replace now. We have now we become lambda 3 to the power x equals to 4 minus 4 times then plus lambda squared. So if we rearrange this one, you're going to get lambda squared minus 5 lambda plus 4 equals to 0. Yes, that's what you are going to get as the equation. So look at it now. You now solve it and you can factorize. So do it this way, bracket equals to 0. We're dealing with lambda here. So lambda, lambda. Think of two numbers in which when you add them, you get minus 5. And when you multiply them, say they're going to give you 4. The numbers are minus 4 and minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. And minus 4 times minus 1 is 4. So here you have minus 1 minus 4. So from here, this implies that lambda will be either equals to 1 or lambda will be equals to 4. So when lambda is equals to 1, what would happen to the equation? From here, that means 3 power x will be equals to 1, which becomes 3 to the power x equals to 3 to the power 0. Any number x to the power 0 is 1, so this and this will go. So x will be equals to 0. We're expecting more than one solution. So when x equals to 4, then 3 to the power x will be equals to 4. So there's one number in which this 3 will rise to give us 4. So we now take the log of both sides. So we have log of 3 to the 3 of x equals to log of 4. So from here now, x will be equals to, because this x will multiply this, and the 3 to base 3 is 1. So let's find this equals to log of 4 to base 3. Yes, the base is 3. Sorry. So x will be equals to, so what is log 4 to base 3? Log 4 to base 3 is equals to 1.2619. 1.2619. That is the answer. So the value of x is either x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 1.2619.